Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys contact number save setting. How to save contact number in oppo mobile, one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your oppo mobile you want to save contact number, you want to add contact number in your oppo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to add contact number. One by one we will talk about. So friends, open your device phone call setting. After turn on phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile you want to add contact number, you want to save contact number. So friends, click here make a call option setting and enter number, which number you want to add in your oppo mobile. Example friends, you want to add this contact number in your oppo mobile. Friends, click here create new contact option setting and click here name option setting. So friends, now I will set here my number, my contact number. You want to add last name, so friends you can add last name in your oppo mobile. You want to add any emojis, so you can add emojis also. Click here save option, and if you click here device option, so friends you can select your gmail id and you can save contact number on your gmail id. And you want to save contact number in your oppo mobile device, so you can click here save to device and save to gmail option, you can select save option. Click here contact number will save in your oppo mobile. Friends, you can check contact number will save in oppo mobile. Click here contact list setting. Friends, you can see there are three numbers like that, but my contact number is here. You can check date also, 23 June 2023 device. You can check date 23 June. So like that friends, you can add contact number, you can save contact number in oppo mobile. If you click here, so you can call. If you click here, so when you can use text messages setting, you want to use text messages setting, you want to send text messages, so you can send text messages. Friends, if you click here right side three dot, if you click here set ringtone, friends you want to set ringtone on this number, so you can select ringtone, you can set ringtone on this number. And friends, if you click here share option, you can share number, you can delete contact number in your oppo mobile. And if you click here, so friends you can edit contact number, you can change contact number name, and you want to add photo on contact number. If you click here, so you can add photo on contact number in oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to save and how to add contact number in oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.